Okay, in this video, we want to find the inverse transform for the function fs is equal to 2 times s minus 1 times e raised to negative 2s divided by s squared minus 2s plus 2. And so let's get started. Pretty much we just need to rearrange what we have. And so we can say that fs is equal to, so the numerator will keep the same for now, 2 times s minus 1 times e raised to negative 2s. But the denominator, what we typically do for these inverse transform problems, is we focus on s squared minus 2s. And we say s minus 1 squared. By doing that, we get s squared, and we also get minus 2s. But we also get plus 1, and we have a plus 2. And so we simply got to say plus 1. And so now we have s squared minus 2s plus 1, so we get plus 2. And so this right here is equivalent to this. And next, we need to further break down the numerator into parts. And so we could say 2 times s minus 1 times e raised to negative 2s. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And since everything is being multiplied, I can just put the division sign on one term. If I say s minus 1 squared plus 1. So now we have like 3 parts. This is 1, this is 1, and this is a constant of 2. And so now we use this table and to see if we have a match. If there's anything that will relate to what we have. So we have s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 squared plus 1. So in our case, a is 1 and b is also 1. Next, we have e raised to negative 2s. If you look at this really quickly, you may think this is it. But we're not dividing by s. And so actually this will be it. So it's going to be, so c is going to be 2. But what we need to do here is write u2t times f parentheses t minus c. So this means this thing will actually also affect this. And so let me show you what we're going to have. And so our final answer will be the inverse of the Laplace fs is equal to, we have a 2 in the front, so 2e. We said a was 1, so t. But what we said here is it's going to be t minus c. And we said c was 2. So in fact, it's going to be t minus 2. Next is focusing on cosine. So we say cosine. We said b was 1. So that's going to be t. But likewise, it's going to be t minus c. So t minus 2 times u2t, uct right here. And for this, we don't need to say t minus c because it says uct like this. So let me expand it. And so this right here is our final answer, and that's all we need to do.